Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're going to be unboxing two Xbox One controllers in black and a dual controller charger made by Insignia. And you're maybe wondering, if you saw my last video where I unboxed the Xbox One S, didn't you get two controllers already? Well, the thing is that mine fell from pretty high place and it got out of its place, the trigger, the left trigger, and it doesn't work pretty much anymore. And the one that my brother had, it got soaked because it had a case for it, and it got completely soaked in there. And surprisingly, it didn't entirely break, but only the D-pad doesn't work anymore. In like the Xbox, it doesn't work. It doesn't like really function. But that's what pretty much happened to the controllers. Shall we get into the unboxing? Yeah? No? Maybe? Alright, whatever. Screw it. Let's get into the unboxing. So, we have two black ones, as you may have seen there. And this is going to take a while because I have no nails. And so, yeah. Did you guys out there have any controller that broke from any console, Wii U? I've heard that the Nintendo Switch breaks pretty easy. It doesn't break, but it gets damaged pretty easily. Like, you guys should look up videos because it gets scratched really easily in that HDMI port or something. I'm not a personal fan of Nintendo anymore. I used to have a 3DS and a DS, like the normal first 3DS that ever came out, but it broke. And I mean, the games weren't that good. I mean, too much money for small games that you could finish pretty easily. Like, you guys still remember that Pokemon X and Y? Yeah, I had that, but it didn't pretty much work out. When I first ever played it, it only lasted me like 2 weeks, and then I was finished. And pretty much I had to go through the same thing, you know. I mean, unless you collect a bunch of legendaries, then that's pretty cool, you know. You get to do extra stuff, but I'm not really into that stuff. So here we go, the controller. Let's open it with the fancy, you know, unboxing. Now, this is a pretty nice controller. It's in black, but I mean, yeah, it's pretty nice. You see, let's move this away. It looks similar to like the other one, you know. It's an Xbox One controller. It's in all black. It seems like, I don't know if you could see that, but the black on this part is like a different shaded black than this one. This one is like a gray, a more grayish black one, and this one's a total black one. I don't know if you could see that on the camera. I think you could. And here's the front of it, pretty standard, you know, nothing too special. The normal, you know, A, X, Y, B buttons, and the D-pad, the fully working D-pad. And it comes with your AA batteries, two AA batteries. And that's pretty much it. But if you want to go extra, you take this off where the Xbox controller comes. And then you have your little manual. In the Xbox, you put in your batteries to turn it on there. I don't know what that's for, to put in your computer. You hold that for 3 seconds and it gets paired to your Xbox, Bluetooth, blah blah blah. And yeah, it should be pretty easy to set it up for anyone. And here's the warranty guide, and nobody wants to read all that. And what is this? I don't know what it is, but that's pretty much all that's in there. Just a controller, two AA batteries, menus and stuff, how to get it working. And that's pretty much with all of the controllers that you buy with like this case. I don't know about the Elite controllers because I've never really had one. But we'll just leave the other controller because we already saw what's in this one. So now for the dual controller charger port, or whatever you may like to call it. I guess we open it through up here. I don't really know how to open it, but I've never really had any of these controller charger ports. Ask me, like, say in the comments down below if you've ever had one of these for any type of console. I mean, I'm not pretty sure about Wii and stuff. Well, I guess anything pretty much that has a charging port or something. So here it is, just like in the box. It's here, insignia. It's black, so it goes with the controller. Here's the USB-C port. I'm thinking that's USB-C. I'm not really sure, but it seems pretty simple. It seems like it has like a headphone jack kind of thing in there. I don't know if you could see that. You see that? It's right here. I don't know if you could see that, but there it is. Now here's the controller. Let's just see if it works. So I'm gonna open it up. There we go. I'm gonna get these AA batteries out. There we go. And so let's just put in the controller and see if it works. Because if not, well, it's kind of a ripoff. I don't remember how much it cost, but it seems pretty good for what it is. So, controller's fully loaded. So it goes like this. It's gonna be hard. Wait, no, like this. There we go. And so it connects. But now let's put this to the side and pull out the cables that come in here. Oh, there's a battery for the controller in here. Special batteries. Oh, so this is like, oh, so here are the extra batteries that come with it. It's like the packaged ones that come on the Xbox 360 controllers. So pretty much what for this you have to do is take out like normal, take out the batteries, and pretty much just put it in. Not really too sure about how this works, but just hope it works. Let's see, sorry about this. I don't know how to put it in. I'm guessing through over here. I'm so sorry about this, but I've never really used like this, like the things like this. But I'm guessing it goes like this because, I mean, these things get squished and then it kind of makes its way in there. There we go. So you have to put in this side first and then plop this one in, and then pretty much you're set to go. Just put this back in and put it on this thing. It has to be like that. And there, it just pops into place. And here's the cable for it. It's like it's like that. Well, it's pretty much like a normal cable. Just that it has like a headphone jack, but it's not really a headphone jack. I'm not really sure what this is called, but if you do know, let me know in the comments below. So let's just unwrap this. And let's see if it works. So if you guys ever buy one of these, you'll know if it works or not by seeing my videos. Stay tuned for more. You know? So this is a pretty hard wrapped one. And we're almost there. He wrapped this one a lot. And there we go. So let me just connect it down here. Oh, and by the way, if it's echoey, then it's because I've moved into my room, and it's pretty much a new room. It's echoey, and yeah, it's echoey. It's empty. So sorry about that, but soon it won't be that echoey. And here's the cable for it. I'm not really. Oh, there's a little hole down here so it could go. So you just plug it in there. Oh, that fell. And and this should just work. Yeah, you see it goes like that. And connect this. Oh, it vibrated. Is that a good signal? So it vibrated. I feel like this is gonna break easily. And I think it's in there. So, oh, it vibrates when it's charging, I guess. So it's charging. So that's pretty much it. It comes with 2 of these batteries, the special ones, so you could recharge it. And that's pretty much all. So thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and all those questions that I asked, leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in the next episode.